if she rejected you or she left you, which means she made a bet against the future you. So stop crying about it. You have to learn to pick ourselves up and take that as a challenge. So kanina while they're in the bed, 24 hours or ilang weeks na din, and everything what happened, I come to realize na why do I crave for that love or relationship if I have nothing to offer. I'm a broke guy. I only relate to my parents' money. My wallet is empty. So, as in wala. Yeah, may natira pang barya. And I have no social life. Just on the room bonding 24/7 as our appearance is fuck up na din. Puro takyawat. Set aside na muna and we're focused on ourselves, and I made a challenge for myself. It's called Project Me. She's unlocking my potential as a average guy. And if you want to join to my journey, just follow me. Today is March 16, Sunday. I will declare to myself that I will achieve those delusional ambition of mine. See ya.